Hi guys, it's Juliana Sewell vlog and I'm here with another amazing video. It's been ages since I've done any video, sit down and talk video, so sorry about that. It's because of work. I'm not able to do video as I would normally like to, but nevertheless I do love you guys and thank you guys so much for your support. It's been really great and amazing. For those who have checked up and asked how come they don't see me posting, I really do appreciate you guys, because I know that there are some loyal supporters that will definitely check to find out what's going on, why you haven't been posting. But guys, I'm good. It's just that work take up most of my time that I would normally at home and stuff like that. But anyhow, I'm here to say this to somebody. Sometimes you ask God for sometimes you ask God to grant you favors, but God has granted you the favor, but guess what? You're looking for the favor in a big explosion, right? And you're not looking at the small details, because you will ask for something and you expect, for instance, you will ask for cash, and you get the cash now, but guess what? You didn't get it in the amount that you expected. You wanted everything at once. But while God provides somebody who could give it to you in a small portion, but with most of us are ungrateful, because we are looking for things in a big portion, so we forget about the little small things. Small details are the things that matter the most. And I'm gonna say something to somebody out there. I don't know who you are, and for those that are watching this video, I know sometimes you may be struggling, because doesn't matter that I'm working, I'm still struggling to make ends meet. And worse if you have responsibility. Some people believe because you don't have kids, you don't have responsibility. That is a lie from the pit of hell. Okay? And this is why I tend to stay in my shell, because sometimes you talk to people and because of their ignorance, you don't want to shun them that much. You don't want to say something that will let them feel insult. But some of these people, you're having a conversation with them, and the first thing that they're going to come and they're going to say to you, you don't have any kids, so you don't understand. I don't have any kids of my own, but I have grown up other people's kids. I've been around other people's kids and I treat them as if they were my kids. So I do understand. So for those who may feel down and left out, don't feel down and left out, because guess what? God knows when it's your time. What is for you can't be for somebody else. And you may be struggling, but know that there's a God and there's a light at the end of the tunnel. So take your time, work on the better version of you, because sometimes God knows that we are not ready for certain things. God knows that we are struggling, so God wants to take us out of our struggling situation before He puts us in something that, because to be honest, it's not everybody can manage stress. It's not everybody can manage stress like how some other people do. I see some people who have kids and how they deal with their kids. To be honest, they should even get one. Might as well let it stay by themselves. And God said, no, that I'm not in a position to go and get any kids. So for those also who are forcing you guys to go and get kids, or you're getting older now, you need kids and you need to get kids and stuff like that. If you are not ready to get kids, don't let anybody force anything on you, because at the end of the day, they are going to be the same persons who are going to sit down and they're gonna bicker about you. They're gonna talk behind your back. Why did you go and get kids and you know that you're not ready for kids? So be careful of the naysayers and the yes man them. We always like say, yeah man, you need to get kids and all of these things, and yet still you know see them life in a no better position. They can't even buy a spoon of sugar to feed themselves, but yet still they are forcing you to go and get kids. They're forcing you to do things that you're not ready for. So my point is, don't let anybody force you to do anything that you don't want to do or you're not ready to do. Take your time, work on a better version of you, because God knows I'm working on myself to be a better version of what I would want out of life. Because before you can love somebody, you first have to love yourself. If you don't love yourself, how can you love somebody else? And there are certain things that I didn't get when I was growing up, and honestly to God, I wouldn't want to bring a child in this world and I can't sustain them. I'm not gonna be one of those parents who gonna say, oh, from Pitney Band, Pitney must get something to eat. No, I'm not gonna talk like that, because me know what growing up eating social food and all of those things is like, and I wouldn't want to bring a child like that. So I'm sorry for those who may be disappointed, but right now I never tell nobody say I'm ready for kids or whatever. I don't want nobody force me to do nothing at all, because at the end of the day, it's my choice if I want to get kids or if I don't want to get kids. I do love kids, so don't get me wrong, and I do want to have kids in the future, but hey, am I settled down? No. Who am I gonna have kids with? Myself? Guys, whatever you do, just take your time and do things to please you. Don't do things to please other people, because at the end of the day, they will have good to say, and they will still have bad to say. So you can't please people. And that's my 2 cents. And thanks for those who have been watching my video, those who have been sharing my video out. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch my video and to share my video out. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful and a blessed day, and may God go with every decision that you make in life.